The objective of this lesson is to get familiar with the OR formula in Excel. And this is a formula that you don't use usually on its own, but you use it in combination with other formulas like if formula, and it will make your life way easier and make your formula less complex. So what does it do? Basically, OR is a formula that tests some conditions. And if you have one condition that is true, at least one, so it could be one or multiple, you will get true as an answer. If you have all of them that are false, then only in this case you'll get a false. And how do you test a condition? Conditions are using operators that you can see here. Those are the most common ones. So basically you have the equal with this operator. Not equal is one arrow to the left and one arrow to the right. And to get them, you have them on your keyboard usually above the comma and the dot. You just have to press shift and then you press comma or dot and you'll get them. Then you have larger, which is the right arrow, smaller the left arrow. And then if you add equal to the sign, you'll get larger or equal and smaller or equal. So let's test a few conditions so you can understand it better. Here I have something that I want to test. I want to see if 6 is bigger than 5, which is true, or this text is equal to A, which is not true, right? So if I have one true condition and one not true, it should give me true. So we write equal or open parenthesis, and then you select your first cell, you use the bigger sign, you select your second cell, then you put comma, and you can put 255 conditions, but I doubt you'll reach up to this. Then you select your text and you say equal the other text, and you close the parenthesis and you get true as we discussed. Now if you want to hard code the text here, you can come here and use the double quotation and write text, for example, and then another double quotation. Do not use the apostrophe on your keyboard because it will not work. You need to use the double quotation. Okay, next we're going to try it on this condition. So we're going to say equal or I have 6 less than 5. So 6 less than 5 is false, right? And text equal A, it's also false. So it should give me false because all the conditions are false. And lastly, I'm going to do a test to show you that the formula is not case sensitive. So I'm going to use equal or 6 smaller than 5 is a false condition, right? And then you have text different than text. So this one is also false because although it's a different case, it's the same word that is written here. So as you can see, you will get false also here.